Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix Roblox. This file does not have an app associated with it for performing this action. So if you're getting this similar error, there's easy fix to that. So first of all, open up your control panel or installed files here, and then you need to look for Roblox installer. So here, look for Roblox installer on your computer. And then, as you can see, I have it here. So what you need to do here is to press uninstall, right? And now my Roblox is uninstalled. So, and then you need to go to roblox.com, then log into your account, select home, and then just go to one of the experiences here. So for example, let's go to Pet Simulator and let's hit play. And then you should get a installation setup. As you can see here, you can download and install Roblox. So let's save it to desktop. And then I will show you what you need to do here next. So once you get the setup file here, you need to try to install Roblox twice. So as you can see here, I need to wait for a couple of seconds until installer loads up. And it showed that is installing on my other screen. So as you can see here, it's installing. We need to wait until it is installed, and again we need to wait, and then now it should be installed. Yeah, it's installed, and then you need to close Roblox again and install again another version of it. So as you can see here, and after basically two times your Roblox is installed, then you just need to go and search and write run or press Windows and A key. Then here you need to write %, local app data %, hit OK. And then on local tab here, you should find here Roblox. And then you should find versions tab. And then you should see these two versions here. And then you need to find a version with a Roblox launcher here. As you can see here, this is the first one, and also it should there's no on here, just installer. So you just need to go to the launcher here, and then your game should work, right? As you can see here. And if we go to again on Roblox player beta here, now my game is working, right? So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.